So I'm Jemis Viradiya. I'm representing ENC Lifestyle. So ENC Lifestyle is basically research-oriented OEM manufacturer for the nail paint. So we do the private labeling for the various brands. We have 100 plus clients in Pan India, we're exporting more than 10 countries. And specifically, we are in manufacturing of nail paint. It's superb always. Every time CMPL gives something new, which we haven't seen so far. So far so good. It's very nice. Yeah, so it always gives a single platform where I can meet various purchase manager, various brands. Okay, so it's a one-stop solution for us. We doesn't have to go anywhere else. If we only participate in CMPL, it's enough for us. Beyond imagination, and always you people are surprising us. So thank you so much.